Hello, and welcome to another video. So we're gonna make dinner really quickly. I got about 30 minutes, okay? So I'm going to put some salad oil in the bottom of the pan. You can use butter, whatever you like. I went ahead and put some chicken in there. The chicken is seasoned up, and I will show you in just a second what seasons I used and what you could use. Now, I like to use angel hair pasta when I'm doing a dish like this because the thinner the pasta, the easier it is to coat the pasta and the more flavorful. So angel hair pasta just makes this dish really easy, and I don't have to use a lot of sauce to coat the pasta. So we're gonna stick with angel hair pasta. Now here's the chicken, it's all cooking up. Before I add in the spinach, I want to make sure that the chicken is cooked fully. Now here are the seasonings that I use. I told you guys I like to go to Kroger early in the morning, and you can get some good discounts. That first seasoning that I showed you was $6.99 off of the discount. I would have never picked that up. But here's some seasonings. You can use whatever you like, whatever flavor you like. Girl, just make sure they're budget seasonings, okay? Gonna go ahead, put my spinach in there. You could also do something else. Like I was thinking about adding broccoli, but I did broccoli yesterday. I feed vegetables by force, so I add them in everything. So here it is, it's all cooked up. I would just wait to put the spinach in until the chicken is cooked, just to be on the safe side. Pasta is ready to go. I wouldn't add any salt directly to the pasta at this point because we're about to add some other stuff in there. A little bit of butter, that was garlic that I added first. You can add some more stuff if you so choose. You can put a little cheese in there, Alfredo, whatever. The same pesto sauce that I showed you guys yesterday that I like to just put in the dishes, it adds a little extra flavor. If you have cream cheese, I would go and add cream cheese in this as well. I didn't have cream cheese, and I'm just sticking to what I have in the fridge, staying on the budget. Speaking of budget, these Alfredo sauces, they're like creamy sauces that are in packets. I can just use some of it and then store the rest for later, and they're way cheaper than buying the sauce in a can. So I'm gonna stir that up and get ready to serve the food. Now, my daughter does not like pasta, even though it is very delicious. I have these flour tortillas, as you can see, 50% off, that I went ahead and used the same chicken that I had for this pasta meal and just put some chicken in a tortilla for her. So here I am, I'm gonna plate up this, put a little bit of pasta down, then put everything else. As you're gonna see here in a second, I like to add a little bit more vegetables to mine. I usually like vegetables that are raw, I don't like them all cooked, but because I'm feeding vegetables by force, I make sure to put them both ways, okay? I added a little of the Parmesan cheese, the 5 Italian blend, sprinkle that on, stir it up, and we are ready to eat. This meal, I'm actually eating some right now, and honey, it is delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, if you have a question, ask a question. Girl, let's get these grocery budgets together, okay? And I'll see you in the next video.